plans just gonna fade away. Coffee's cold, the toast is burned. Life's on pause, lessons unlearned. Check my phone, not a single text. Guess I'm free from the world's complex. Dishes in the sink like a mountain high. Laundry's piled, can't even try. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Walked outside, shoes untied. No thoughts, no cares, no need to hide. Neighbors wave but don't say a word. In silence loud, I am undeterred. Back inside, no clock to chase. Every moment an empty space. No worry lines, no set of keys. Just the wind and the whispering trees. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Today is the day to zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Making hearts with paper scraps, cutting shapes from old school maps. Dark scissors and glue in hand, creating love from where we stand. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love no strong with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. We don't need no fancy store, crafted love that means much more. Every heart a work of art, pieces glued straight from the heart. Sequins shine like in a dream, crafting partners make a team. Laughing through the colored strands, hearts created by our hands. Glitter flies and glue gets sticky, crafting love so wild and quirky. Crafting love so wild and quirky. Every fold and every snip, every fold and every snip, Valentine's Day craftsmanship. Ribbons twist and sparkle white, buttons glued with so much pride. Love notes drawn with red gel pens, handmade joy that never ends. We put our hearts into everything, chasing dreams and lights so keen, editing vibes till the break of dawn. Our craft is real, a passion drawn. From vlogs to tricks and everything right, every click, every share makes us glad. Late nights, long days, little sleep, to bring you smiles and memories to keep. So like, share, subscribe, don't delay. Join the fun. Our journey's lit, fix by fix. Challenges, pranks, and all things neat. Your comments fuel our next big feat. With every frame we tell a tale, so hop on board, set your sail.